Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Kerry, aka Lashes Journey, and today I'm gonna show you guys what I am working with. Just eat two jelly coconut. Just eat this, as you see. So right now these are busy, and these are good for all various diseases and sickness. These good for poison. It's just good for a lot of things. Good for your eyesight. Good for lots and lots of stuff. Good lower your blood sugar. And these are chocolate. That's what everybody crave over chocolate. That milk chocolate, that dark chocolate, whatever chocolate, this is what it's made from, the chocolate. So I'm here in beautiful Jamaica, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my chocolate. I pick it from the tree over there, right there. Chocolate tree is right behind there. And what I'm doing now, I'm gonna break them, process them so I can take them back to the States and make my chocolate. Here you go. So just, and if it's dark, it can come like this. Get it dark if it's too bright. And if it come like this, you zoom it in. Always make everything sure. And let's ride. So what we do with a chocolate, you just stop it round and round. Then you put them in the middle, like that. Like that. Kurt, you want to eat some or no? Want any? And chocolate is loaded with lots of fat. Good fat. Chocolate is good for the brain. It's a brain food. This is how we eat chocolate back home. Now zoom it back out. If it, well, that's so smart. Huh. A lot of chocolate you eat. People eat them. We eat them like this, but the seeds are inside. But let's get to it. P. P. He said, "I'm going to do in the video. I go and shell down this water." So, Kurt, you want to taste any? So this is, want to taste it? So this is okay, let me cut one for you. You can taste one of that, or I can cut one next one for you. Taste one and give me it back. But the turn one tastes better than the ripe one. The ripe one not taste good. One with the fat meat. This, all of them are kind of overripe. So these are really good. So good. So this is how we eat chocolate back home. Don't show it to you. Don't show it to Kirsty. Where do I wash them? That's how we eat chocolate back home. We used to call this ice cream because it's in a cone. So it's like an ice cream. This is what we used to eat as ice cream. I tell you guys, living on the island, we didn't have the luxury of eating ice cream. Fudgy used to come on Sundays, but we don't have money to buy ice cream, so we wouldn't eat it. I just like the ice cream come. You can't cut it. You can't end it. If you eat them to see the struggles that we got through. Yeah. Yeah. No, cut man. We want them see them thing there. Say, Anna, just easy growing up in the bush, and you can't wear these shoes. These shoes, you cannot come pretty in the bush. Oh, the big the drop and the jump out of me. Me the drop though, the bag drop. Me the drop?
You catch yourself.
We don't know. Most. That's the way I roll I got yeah, boss. I saw me doing give them, I saw me give them a Ryan boss. So them see the struggles because people think I see her come up and them think say, oh, she just get there and bad mind. Say no, I want it drop. I will just jump up back quick and fast and get it going. So I want it time, and that just show you a good life example, right? Only by time you go through in life and you buck your foot and fall. When me do lay down there and feel sorry for myself, no, you have to get up and keep going. Just get up and brush off. Put it on the barbecue, daddy. Respect, man. So this is lemongrass. About to go put it in some hot water and wash it. Put in some hot water and drink that down in the day. You get all that good polyphenols in the middle of the day. Good. Just eat some sugar cane, sweet. Wait, let me go show daddy I cut one jelly. Let me see what daddy I do. Yeah. Why? Let me stay for 1 month, man. Me in shape.
I jelly never.
They want the jelly. So may I get one coconut? You want one, Kurt? Come on, go get one coconut and come.
Coconut water, you know, like in things.
The coconut and done for her, sir? Okay. Yeah, the shoes here are one bad shoes to wear got bush. You see, show the bottom big. But that in the water. Oh, water in there? Cause them a dry up, so. Akila put the cinnamon on her, sir? Yeah, man. You can't put on the cinnamon like this. She don't understand, you know. She don't understand the country living. So we'll shell down them two, you know. So I'm about to chop these up on the cinnamon. So daddy, them here have to dry? The cinnamon have to dry before I can travel with it or no? I cut them up and carry them same so. Where my shit there, daddy? Let me give Kurt one of this. Look on this little chopstick, guys. Look. She eat all the jelly coconut. That's why you see how the little kid strong. She what 2?
Yeah, you can't say 2.
She not 2 yet, no?
Yeah, nearly.
She's 1 year old. 1 year old. And look how she's strong. She can lift you up and throw you down. That's how you strong when you grow up in the country eating these natural foods. Eat these. I went near poorly gains. Eat these. I really think one. They're trying whatever I country through. So what we do now when we come with the herbs, we put them on here on the zinc, and the zinc carry extra heat. The heat come from the sun and hit the zinc, so everything dry up real good. So we spread them out like this, and we put the cinnamon to dry. Put them up. You don't want to blow in, daddy? So we, okay, and these are nutmeg. So let me nutmeg. These are nutmeg. Oh, we nutmeg tree there.
Don't get
Smell strong. Show them it. Really strong. These great medicinal benefits also. So these are the cinnamon, nutmeg. So and look at the cashew. Oh yeah, let's show them some cashew. We get in the vitamin D, everything. Let me show them. So the cashew, this is all the cashew that you eat in the seed. This is how you do it. You put it in the sun to dry. So these are all cashew. We have the cashew tree. So this is how cashew looks naturally. This is how cashew looks. So I'm gonna bite it. It's gonna burn my mouth, right?
Yeah, that bring on.
Okay, so I'm gonna stomp on it, break it. Shit. Oh, it's wet still.
I usually roast it. Yeah.
Oh, so it's still wet, so that's why they put it in the sun to dry. Oh yeah, we know it'll burn you up. It occurred a cashew. These are all cashew. So you guys see.
Roast it, forget it, make it move fast.
So when you roast it, like you can put it on the pot on the fire, right? Or you put it in that fire.
Yeah, but two of them.
You can put it in the fire, or you can put it in the pot on the fire, and to speed up the drying process. Because if you put this in your mouth right now, it will burn up your mouth, so you cannot eat the cashew like that. And this is the cashew that's in store for lots and lots of money. We have the cashew tree down there, my dad. He plants all this. So these are all cashew. All cashew. So we put them on zinc. A lot of stuff we have on zinc. These are busy. Show them the busy. So let me show you the busy. Busy.